What's up, guys? We got some pretty exciting news about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. It has received its updated design. It's pretty exciting. It's going to be released in September. They haven't given a specific date yet, but what I will keep you guys updated. They have confirmed September is going to be the month. So the Galaxy Fold had issues with its design. A lot of reviewers were actually peeling the display and it would completely ruin the whole thing. So they have updated the design. So the top layer of the Infinity Flex display has been extended beyond the bezel, making it apparent that it is an integral part of the display structure and not meant to be removed. So that's really good. The Galaxy Fold also features reinforcements to better protect the device from external particles while maintaining a signature foldable experience. Now the top and the bottom hinge of the area have been strengthened with newly added protecting caps. Additionally, the metal layers underneath the Infinity Flex display have been included to reinforce the protection of the display. The space between the hinge and the body of the Galaxy Fold has been reduced as well. So as you can see in these pictures, they're very subtle but very clear. So this design makes the Galaxy Fold stronger, and it also stops the breeze from getting into it, and it also helps from consumers to not peel the plastic off of the device, breaking it. So very exciting to see that Samsung updated it and that it's ready to go. This is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. So what do you guys think? Let me know and I'll catch you guys in the next one.